Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to take a screenshot in laptop Windows 11 HP, Dell, Asus, Lenovo, Acer. Chapter 1. How to take screenshot in laptop Windows 11 from keyboard, full screen. To start, you are going to press the PrtScn key on your keyboard. This will take a screenshot of the entire current Windows screen. After that, in some edit, you can paste this full screen image. Chapter 2. How to take screenshot in laptop Windows 11 from keyboard, window only. For this method, open the window you want to capture, then press the Alt plus PrtScn keys. In some editor, when you paste the image, you will notice that only the selected window was captured. Chapter 3. How to take screenshot in laptop Windows 11 from the keyboard system. To start, you are going to combine the Windows keys plus PrtScn. This will take a full screenshot. To review the screenshot, in the File Explorer, go to the Pictures library and find the screenshot in the Screenshots folder. You can open the capture. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to take screenshot in laptop Windows 11 with utility. To get started, enter snipping in the search box. Open the Snipping Tool. In this utility, you can check the various capture options such as window only, full screen, or free form. Likewise, you can check that it is also possible to record a screen. Select the desired method and click New. Click on the area to capture. The capture will automatically open and you will have some editing options. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.